Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix crashes on PC, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. Let's begin. Fault provided drivers are always a common cause of game crashes. To roll out these chaos, you need to make sure your graphic card driver is up to date. You can go to the manufacturer website to download the latest driver or follow the step below to update the driver. First, right-click to start button on the taskbar and choose device manager. Next, expand the display adapter category. Now right-click the target display card and then choose update driver. Let Windows search for the most accurate driver or use the latest driver you can download. Then follow the instruction on your screen to complete the driver update process. Corrupted or missing game files can cause the game to crash or fail to load. In this case, you can verify the integrity of the game file to check and replace the corrupted files. Now navigate to the UBI soft, connect to the library and tap and select Star Wars Outlet. Next, click to the setting button to play. Hit verify files and wait until the process is completed. Cloud safe synchronization of game progress may be the cause of the Star Wars Outlet crash. To address issue, it may be considered disabling the cloud saving synchronization launch. Ubisoft Connect first and log into your Ubisoft account. Then choose the profile option in the top left corner. Then click the setting button in the general section and check the option of enable cloud safe synchronization for supported games. However, according to user experience, it may be culprit causing Star Wars Outlet crashes or startups, so you need to disable the frame generation feature. After that, open the settings in Star Wars Outlet, scroll down to find and select the video, then select the button next to frame generation to off. Some gamers reported that the Windows version may be the cause of the game crashes also. Playing games over VPN may negatively impact your gaming experience and may cause Star Wars Outlet to crash or fall. So, to launch it, recommend disconnecting the VPN and then running the game to see if it works properly, and that's it, you are done.